Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
And also about the Ahwaban agency, we hope to just continue this route because the people really enjoy here, and we are planning maybe before Nowruz we will having another trip to Goa. So thank you this department that came here. We had a very wonderful welcome at the airport at the beginning after our entrance in Goa. You know, the clients just encounter a very warm welcome with a live musician band and giving the clients the flower and garlands and the sweets, Goan sweets. It was a very unique experience. This is the first impression of Goa. They just encountered like this. And I just want to say thank you to the tourist department, to Goa government, and all the Sita Travels and Ahwaban agency and everybody who was managing this tour. Everything was perfect. And I hope to come back to Goa soon.
I have a good experience from living here because I think that the nature was so peaceful and beautiful, and really was melted our tiredness, and I enjoyed about very much.
Do you think you will come again? Goa is beautiful?
Absolutely, absolutely. Maybe next year I will come with my father and my family again.
So this was your first time in Goa?
Yes, I come to the first time, yes. And about the people, I think they were very kind and genuine person, and I feel